Hello everyone, welcome to MBA Karo. Snap 2023 Test 1 admit cards are out, and one interesting thing that we got to know is that there are multiple slot of the examination. Till last year, they used to disclose the date as well as the time also, but this time they had not mentioned that what is going to be the time of the test. And when we saw, I downloaded my admit card. I got the time as 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Then some students told me that they have got a time slot of 2 to 3 p.m. Now, I conducted a poll also in which I saw that majority of the students, somewhat 65% of them, have said that their slot is 2 to 3 p.m. If you have got any other slot, please do let us know so that we verify this that there are multiple slots beyond two slots also on the same day. And this is for the second time it is happening. Last year, what happened in the third test, that Snap is conducted on 3 days. On the day of the third test, some students were given an extra slot, right? So that and some people said that that paper turned out to be on the easier side than the three slots. However, very few people attempted on that slot. Now talking about this, I this is my admit card. I have got the timing 4:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. But many of my students are saying that they have got 2 to 3 p.m. In case if you have got any other timing, do let me know in the comments of this video. Okay, so one important thing about this admit card is that you need to take a color printout of the admit card. Usually for all examinations, people generally take black and white. Some people do take color printouts also, but it is mandatory that you take a color printout of this admit card. You have to paste the photograph and carry the identity proof, etc. So do read all the instructions carefully about the test and what time should you reach, etc. Now, two slots are confirmed. One is 2 to 3 p.m. and another is 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. I got 4:30 to 5:30. However, I will reach the examination center from 2 to 3 and will conduct the analysis asking a few students how their exam went. And if you've got any other time slot, please comment on the video so that we'll get to know that if there are more slots also. Okay, and some of the students are getting this error 404 error not found. Okay, wait for some hours. Sometimes what happens is there are a lot of people trying to reach out the site. The servers may not be working perfectly. So wait for some hours, then try again, try clearing the cache. Okay, and do all those hacks like clear cache or use some incognito, some other browser. Try all these desi jugards, maybe that might help. Okay, so wait for some hours, you should be able to download the admit card. If not, then please mail them, they will help you out. Okay, so if you have got any other slot, please do let in the comments. And we are running a revision series for Snap 2023 by the name Snap Success 2023. I'm sure you must have watched one of the videos of the same. So please do subscribe to the channel for more videos on the same. It will cover all the sections and serve as a good revision for Snap. And in case you are preparing for Snap and are looking for mock test, we have a series of 15 mock tests for Snap 2023 based on the latest pattern which appeared in uh, 2022. Similar kind of questions and the same difficulty level. You can check it out by the link given in the description of this video. So the admit cards are out. I'm sure you are well prepared for the examination. Just be relaxed and have confidence in yourself. I will also create a video how to attempt the paper, like what should be the ideal strategy one should go about, how many questions to attempt in quant, what all topics to attempt in reasoning, etc., so that you can maximize your score in the examination. So please do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to comment the time slot of your snap test one.